And now for our Claymore Sword. As you can see, we're using two 260s. I've chosen gold and silver. For the gold, I've left about 5, maybe 6 inches uninflated on that, and then just a couple of inches, maybe an inch and a half to 2 inches on the silver uninflated. We're going to start with our gold. Starting at the nozzle end, we're going to take and make about a 3/4, 2-finger wide bubble there, followed by a little small round bubble. And we're going to make this round one into a pinch twist. And then we're going to make one more little round bubble the same size and make that a pinch twist as well. And remember, on your pinch twist, if you make the bubble where it's round, no matter what the size of the balloon, you'll get generally a pretty good pinch twist there. Now we're going to make a bubble that's about hand width there, followed by another small round. Make that a pinch twist as well. And then we need a bubble that's about maybe 4 fingers wide. I'll use some hand measurements on this one. And then we're going to make 2 more pinch twists after that. So round bubble, pinch twist, another round bubble, another pinch twist. And this is half of our hand guard. Now we're going to reverse the process and go back out with another bubble like this, a pinch, this bubble, and then these 2 pinches up here, and our small bubble. So you can make the same bubble there, your single pinch twist here, or for those of you up in Boston, an ear twist. Now we need another bubble the same size as this one over here, followed by 2 more pinch twists. And then we need a little small bubble, the same size as this one on the end. And then pop off your excess. Tie it. And I'm going to trim that end. And this is the hand guard of your Claymore. And if you want to shape these a little bit, you can shape them however you like. Now we're going to take our silver and starting at the nipple end again, or the nozzle end, excuse me. Make a little small bubble. I'm going to do this one slightly different, just because I can. I'm going to make about an inch bubble there, another bubble the same size, and then grab the nozzle and lock those 2 together, and then follow that up with 2 pinch twists. This is another variation that I make on occasion just to give it a little extra variety. Instead of having just that single end sticking out, now I've got those 2 bubbles there that I've locked together initially, followed by the 2 pinch twists. Now I'm going to bring this around and I'm just going to wrap this around that little double, or that fold or lock twist I have there. There we go. And then come back into the pinch twist so that you get that little fancy little piece on the end. And because you've got those 2 folded over there, that gives that a ridge to rest in. Then we're going to take and make about a 6 or 7 inch handle. We're going to take our hilt and we're going to lock the pinch that I'm holding in this hand into the 2 pinch twists here. So just tuck that up in there, wrap it around to secure it in place, pull it out the other side. Try to get it to lay straight as best you can. Sometimes I find that if I'll take these two pinch twists here, excuse me, I was getting salted there for some reason, and turn them like that, it'll help this blade hold straight a little better. And there you have your Claymore.